So today we are taking a look at the new Airbnb 2023 winter release. This is a big update Airbnb has done, really to support hosts and the host community out there with additional hosting tools that improve the platform, improve the host experience, and then a few additional things to improve the guest experience and guest tools when they go to search for a property. So we are going to go through all the different things today and show you kind of start to finish on how you set up the new winter release, opt into the beta program, and what tools are available now and what tools will be rolled out later. In addition, we'll show you clips from Brian's talk on the new Airbnb winter release. So stay tuned through the whole video as we walk through this process. So the biggest thing for hosts is the new listings tab on Airbnb.
Introducing the listings tab, an easy way to manage your listing and showcase your home. Now, when you tap the listings tab, the first thing you see is your listing. Now, to edit my listing, all I have to do is tap it.
The listings tab allows hosts to quickly go in and modify their listing, and everything's very easy to find and up front. Instead of before where you had to search for everything and it was a little convoluted, everything's now in a little tab icon at the bottom of your hosting on your phone. The all-new listings editor is completely redesigned, and it really streamlines this process for hosts to be able to edit their listing.
Let's start with your space. It's where you add all the details about your home, like your title, description, and amenities. Now, remember how hard it was for me to add my fire pit? Well, now, I just tap the plus sign, I select the category I want, my fire pit is outdoors, of course, and there it is.
A huge new thing is the AI-powered photo tour. So the AI-powered photo tour is going to allow you to easily create room galleries, basically. So for your listing, you could have a living room, photo gallery, kitchen, bedroom, dining areas, things like that.
All you have to do is just tap Create Your Photo Tour. We built a custom AI engine that analyzes all your photos and it intelligently sorts them into rooms. And just like that, boom, my photo tour is done. Wow, I mean, it really feels like magic.
This is rolling out soon, but is not quite out yet, even if you opt into the early release. Another big update is the arrival guide for guests. So Airbnb is trying to take as much issues out of the guest experience when they go to check in and make it a lot easier for guests to understand the experience.
You can add all this information in one place, including Wi-Fi details, your house manual, and check-in instructions.
The new arrival guide includes a smart lock integration with certain smart locks. Again, this one's not quite out yet, but Brian says it's coming later this year.
All I have to do is log into my smart lock account right from the Airbnb app, and I'm connected. The Airbnb app will automatically create a unique code for each reservation. Now, these codes are only active during a guest trip, and you can add extra time based on what's best for you and your guests.
So a big update for the guest side is the guest favorites badge. So this is something that Airbnb is rolling out to increase the search performance for guests when they're looking for property that they know other guests love. So now the properties will have the guest favorite at the top. They'll probably also be at the top of the search ranking when you go search for area. You could also filter it by the guest favorite badge on your filter, which will really help guests find your property if you're a guest favorite and help more guests continue to stay at their favorite properties or other guest favorite properties. This is where reviews will become even more and more important. As you build up those reviews, you'll become the guest favorite if you're not already, and that will help you rank much higher in search results, which will then allow you to be found by more and more guests who will want to stay at the guest favorite properties. So some of these tools will be rolled out later in the year. But right now you can opt in and get access to what's currently available. And as they roll out certain tools, they'll roll them out to people who've opted in to test them out first. Now we'll go through and show you how to set this up and how to actually use it and what it looks like on the platform. So first thing you're going to do is go into your hosting, which is here. And then you're going to go and click on this top tab. Now that you're in this page, you're going to scroll down all the way to bottom. You're going to hit Get Early Access. So now that you've enrolled, there's only a couple tools that will look different that you'll have access to as of right now. So the first one is the new earnings dashboard. So we'll have a little bit different visual layout to it. And then the second one is the updated co-host tools. So that will also have a few minor updates to it. However, the compare prices tool, the pricing visibility, the photo AI system, all those new things that we're so excited about will be rolled out later this year and not currently available yet. So now let's take a look at what the new guest experience is like. So you can see the main page of Airbnb here. So we're going to go at the top and do a search. We're going to do Tucson because that's one of the areas we're familiar with. So as you can see on this page, guest favorite comes up as a badge on the top of the properties that get guest favorite. So you could also filter up here at the top right by guest favorite now as well. So it makes it so much easier for guests to search by what other guests have really enjoyed staying at so that they can stay at the same property as well. So we're going to go in the top left property, which is one of ours. And as you can see right here on the first page, you can see guest favorite as well. So they're really pushing the idea of the guest favorite badge, the score, and the number of reviews. In addition, for guests, this is a big new upgrade. So they're going to rank your property based on your score with the guest favorite badge, and everything is now much cleaner and better laid out as far as the score for every category: cleanliness, accuracy, check-in, communication, location, and value. So this is going to make your reviews even more important moving forward to try to get as many 5 stars as possible, because the more you get, the higher you'll rank, especially with the new guest favorite badge. And this probably will also drive a lot of guests to continue to book with guest favorite properties, because they can guarantee that they're, usually the top properties out there due to the number of guests that have also ranked them really high. So now that you've activated opting into the new winter release, as the tools are rolled out, you'll have access to them. So you'll want to check back into your account on Airbnb periodically to see when the new tools are being rolled out, and then any associated videos on how to use those tools from Airbnb.